Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a really sweet pop of color for your living space, then this rug is going to fit the bill in every way. This is a rug by Ileading, and it is a completely washable rug, which is perfect for a family with pets or with kids and spills that might happen. The rug is a 5x7 size, and you can see that it has this really cute boho print on it. I really like this one with the blues and oranges because I feel like it just adds in the perfect pop of color. The rug is really soft to the touch, and once you place it down, it has a non-stick backing, so it stays in place with no problem. It is a thinner style rug, but I actually prefer that because it's really easy to vacuum and easy to care for. As I mentioned, you can completely put this in the washer. It folds up with no problem and dries well if you flat dry it on a line. The rug has that beautiful print and lots of details in the rug, so it's a lot more complex than it looks at first, but I really think that that is so perfect because it adds in the perfect pop of color. Whether you wanted to use this rug in your kitchen, your living room, or another space, it's so easy to care for thanks to it being machine washable, which is so perfect for busy families. We want to have nice things, but it's not always easy to take care of them. This rug would make a perfect accent for someone's space, and you can take care of it in an easy way. But that's just my point of view.